Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the model image. This is the model image today I am going to use. First step, go to tools. Tap on adjust. Tap on contrast. Keep the contrast around 35. Now tap on it. Next step, go to add photo and select the background. Then this is the background. Simply stretch out like this and arrange in this portion here. It is perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, now tap on restore. Keep the hardness to 100 and size around 50. Now draw on the back side of the model. Okay.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
Friends, finally we erase the background. Now tap on tick and we have to add the further PNGs. Go to add photo. Then these are the 4 PNGs. First I am going to arrange this Independence Day logo in this portion here. Next step, I am going to arrange this birds PNG here. Perfect. And I am going to add this flag in the hands like this. Tap on eraser, tap on erase. Okay, erase like this. Perfect. Now next I am going to add this light PNG. Go to blend and make it screen and arrange in this portion here. It's perfect. Now tap on tick. We have to add the smoke effect. Go to add photo. Okay, I'm going to arrange on the bottom portion here. It's perfect. Now tap on tick. We have to save this image in PicsArt and you have to jump into the Lightroom application. See you there. Open Lightroom app. Tap on this add photo and select the photo. Tap on add photos. Select the photo. And we have to give the color grading. Okay, tap on auto adjust. Now go to colors and increase a little contrast and give little whites, decrease the blacks. Go to colors, increase the saturation little bit, temperature little bit. Now go to colors, increase the red, saturation little bit, decrease the hue little bit. Go to orange, give little orange, saturation and luminance little more. Go to yellow, increase the saturation. Go to green, increase the saturation. Go to aqua, increase the saturation. Go to blue, increase the saturation. Tap on done. Next, go to increase the clarity little bit and dehaze little bit and give the little vignette, texture little bit. To here, give little sharpening and give little noise reduction and color noise reduction. Friends, finally our special Independence Day photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.